Waterproof housing. Remove the static cling sticker. Remove the waterproof rubber plug. You can use a coin or a key to remove it. The following shows how to remove the rubber plug by hand without using any tools. Pinch the waterproof rubber plug tightly with your fingers. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the waterproof rubber plug. Open the latch on the top of the waterproof housing and open the housing itself. Remove side waterproof plug. Align the front of the S7 Pro with the front of the waterproof case. Insert camera. Close cover. Lock top latch. Connecting charging cable. Tighten waterproof ring. Make sure to tighten it completely until there is no gap to prevent water from entering and damaging the camera.